Innovation, innovation, innovation. Innovation that unleash the power to transform lives all over the world. Right here in India, the spark of innovation is nurtured and kept alive today. More than 300 inspired scientists are absorbed in research and innovation with a powerful belief that what they do right here today will most certainly transform human lives tomorrow. Guided by a quest that began a long time ago and inspired by a pioneer who foresaw the future. A man with an indomitable spirit, born in a small village in Gujarat, India, in the early 20th century, who went on to become the legendary Medicine Man of India. In the year 1951, the man, Indravardhan Ambalal Modi, was roused by the rallying call of self-reliance that characterized those early years of hard-earned freedom. He took upon himself the task of initiating and strengthening India's fledgling medicine-making capability. Those were the days when medicines were imported and known as Angrezi Dawai. His entrepreneurial venture, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, was one of the first bastions that challenged this perception. And this spirit remains till today, the guiding light. Mr. I.A. Modi famously championed the Indian Patents Act of 1970, representing the National Working Group on Patent Laws, India.
Product patent is not good for Indian consumers and for the Indian industry, and we should go for a process patent. And government accepted that okay, this Patent Act before 1970 is amended. Because of that, India could produce many products at most competitive price, about 1/10 of the price available in the world.
He also played a pivotal role yet again in shaping the 1986 drug policy of the Government of India. Purposeful steps aimed at nurturing India's pharmaceutical fraternity and building the indigenous Indian capability on solid foundations.
Innovations never happen working in isolation. That's why at Cadila we initiated public-private partnership with our national research institutions. The results of such collaborative associations have been very fruitful.
फार्मा जगत के ये वरिष्ठ पुरुष हैं और उनकी दवाइयां खा करके लोग कितने जवान होते हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन इंद्रवर्धन भाई कभी बूढ़े नहीं होते। तो मैं इंद्रवर्धन भाई को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और आप सबको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Over the last 6 decades, the small self-reliant production of medicines that he started as his karma bhumi bears testimony to this living quest and is the fruition of his vision. His crucible for innovations, devoted to excellence in life sciences to alleviate human suffering. Today, 7,000 people strong, each imbued with that courageous spark of innovation. Cadila Pharmaceuticals is constantly raising the bar to meet the challenges. The challenge of discovery, the passion to innovate, and the drive to serve unmet medical needs. With several global firsts across critical therapies to address cardiovascular diseases, tuberculosis, lung cancer, and many more. It is in this unconquerable spirit of scientific quest that today, Mr. Indravardhan A. Modi's legacy of innovation remains the very soul of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. As a fitting tribute and in honor of our inspiration, We gather today to celebrate the spirit of scientific innovation with the Indravadan Ambalal Modi Innovation Conclave. I am Icon.
It's an honor and blessing of the Almighty to grow, to live, to learn from a person who was my father, but a person who was very pious, a person who was very, very humble, a person who was very hard-working. So we are very, very blessed that we have been part of this journey, but not only providing best medicines, but also innovations, and innovations at a very affordable price. From now onwards, Cadila will sponsor I Am Icon, a conclave where we will celebrate Indian science.
I Am Icon, India's iconic knowledge conclave, conceived and instituted in 2013. I Am Icon is now gathering further momentum, getting even more prestigious with time. I Am Icon 2014 is here. Now bigger, better, and grander. Join us at the very frontiers of discovery as we celebrate the scientific spark and share in the joy of helping transform human lives. I Am Icon, a tribute to a legend, a showcase of indigenous innovation. I Am Icon, towards innovation and excellence in Indian science.